Today, we're diving into the Suptig 2.0-inch LCD backpack for GoPro Hero 4 and 3 series. It's a non-touch screen that brings real-time viewing of your shots and lets you preview your captures instantly. This little gadget is a game-changer for those moments when you need to check battery life, review what you've taken, or even capture more accurately. Installation is a breeze. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly easy to both put on and remove. Plus, with the extension back cover, you're looking at waterproofing up to 114 feet. That means diving, snorkeling, or even in the rain, you can keep an eye on your shots without worry. The package includes the Suptig LCD screen, 2 BacPac backdoors, and a handy microfiber cleaning cloth. It's a simple setup that significantly enhances the GoPro experience. And with a 24-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, there's confidence in the quality here. The screen size may be 2 inches, but the impact is big. With a maximum display resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, it delivers clear visuals for your convenience. If you're looking for an add-on to maximize your GoPro's functionality, this is it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.